Good morning from Hawaii. Let me show you my schedule a little bit. So we've got 2 meetings today. I've got like 3 scripts ready to film YouTube videos, so I could probably knock down those 3 all at once. And then later we've got a pretty much free day that we could do a bunch of adventures here in Hawaii. So breakfast time now, and business meetings, and then adventure. Guys, look at this. It's actually a little bit double. There's one on the top as well. Look at this. Oh, I should fly the drone. You guys see that? Oh, great. You know where this is?
Oh, you're serious? You trashed it. Honestly. Oh shit.
I guess there's something. It's like supposedly now it's beeping and it's making. You know what I really don't like about this? The sky. It looks like it's gonna rain, and if it rains, the drone's not gonna survive.
Hours later.
No way! Dude! Noah found it. Where was it? Up there? I'm so happy right now. I thought I was gonna lose all my Hawaii footage. Ah!
It's literally like right here. So I don't know if you like somehow flew it into the inside of the trees and just hit the wall, or if it landed up there and like tumbled down.
Oh, that doesn't look good at all.
Com cabelos cor de mel singela.
He's up when you're coming back.
Seu nome é Mabel. Hey.
Dude, I'm sorry for canceling the meeting.
You didn't find your drone? Oh my gosh, dude.
Esquece a sandália e se olha pro...
Great day here at Apple. My name is 𝗬𝗀𝗃𝗏, to whom I have the pleasure of speaking with today.
I'd like to know if there's an Apple Watch Ultra in stock.
Yes, I do.
Thank you
Watch.
very much.
You're welcome.
Bye-bye. All right, 𝗬𝗱𝗃𝗏 is picking up an Apple Watch Ultra right now. You wanna come?
Está vazio dia. Também vou ficar e te ver crescer. E me faz tão feliz saber que você é você.
I'm a turtle. I'm a mermaid. I'm a hot babe. You know, I'm actually proud of Noah today because he's actually gonna go from a boy to a man. He's upgrading to the Apple Watch Ultra today. No, you have to go buy a bikini for 𝗫𝗫. We have to go buy an Apple Watch Ultra, and we're picking up another surfboard. Yes, another surfboard for Noah. So come with us.
Okay, should work.
𝗫𝗫 finally found the swimming suit.
Right there to the left.
Look who's there.
Just seems like that should be his name.
Text me the message be blue than green. Got no ex, but more than leave me. I've been no just.
I am unbelievably happy right now. I just got an email that I can't really share yet, but I got invited to speak at an event that I'm sure you guys are, you know, I'm personally super happy. I just can't say anything yet. As soon as I can say something, I'll let you know. But anyways, we're at the mall and we're picking up Noah's Apple Watch Ultra right now. But yeah, I'm just so excited about this email.
That's the most.
Noah's getting the Ultra. Why?
Finally.
Go ahead. Woo.
Yeah. Is that? Oh, sure. I gotta get a.
Never actually showed you on camera, but this is the brand new black Unity band. I did YouTube shorts and stuff, but never actually properly shown you. It's cool. I like it.
And all of these thrills don't count for living. A little more win is all it takes. So I persevere, I'm not afraid.
Noah got the Apple Watch Ultra, and he also got one more thing. Well, don't show it yet. We'll unbox it in just a second. We gotta eat lunch now. We're starving. We're gonna open up Noah's Apple Watch Ultra, but we gotta rent a bike because we have no way on actually moving around, you know, so we're renting an electric bike. You guys are ever in Hawaii? Country Cycles has great bike rentals at a really good price, so we're renting 2 bikes. Check them out. He's to our bike.
Oh no, I gave my heart away. Went a bit too far. So wrong. Oh no, open up my soul.
The next morning.
Okay, so it's the next day. We forgot to, it's been a couple of days, but here's the Apple Watch Ultra unboxing. Noah also got something else. We will be showing you that in just a second, but come on. This pamphlet is actually pretty cool. Look, you got like a beautiful book.
What's in there?
Just paperwork.
Oh no, right here.
Oh, so you did get it?
Yeah,
okay,
yeah.
Cool. This is the Ocean Band.
The decal just comes like that, where it's just like only the little square.
Yeah. Oh, it looks so good, brand new.
Wow.
It actually says designed by Apple in California, and it's actually the coordinates from Apple campus. Only Apple Watch that actually has a braided cable.
Whoa.
Looks good, eh? Wrist cam looks so good on the Ultra. It looks amazing. All right, here's the second thing he got because he actually traded in his old Apple Watch Series 7. I believe and he had like $150 in a gift card, so he ended up getting this. I use this Belkin charger, MagSafe charger. You can charge your AirPods, iPhone, and Apple Watch at once. He also got it in this gift card, by the way. Which, I don't know if you guys knew this, but inside of the gift card, you actually get an Apple sticker. That looks really good.
Fuck, that looks cool, yeah?
That looks super cool. You're being a good techie today, man.
Sick.
You happy?
Look at that mango. This thing's like.
Com cabelos cor de mel.